welcome to CVS. We're here at CVS and we're going to see some discounts. Come with me. Flowers, because it's Mother's Day. Magkano yung flowers? There's some more flowers here. Finally, nakita ko rin yung Easter clearance sale ng CVS dito sa may Westheimer, Houston, Texas. As you can see, ang dami pa nilang mga items na naka 75% off. From toys, yung mga baskets, from candies. Ang dami pa talaga nilang discounted items dito sa Westheimer. Like this toy, hindi ko na to pinakawalan, binili ko na talaga kasi gusto kong ibigay doon sa daughter ng nurse sa may MD Anderson. So I went to the price checker and scan ko one by one just to be sure na talagang 75% off tong mga items na to. And yes, all of them are 75% off. Like this candy, trying to balance tong si Keropi para hindi siya mahulog at hindi ako mahirapan, nilipat ko na lang. Check ko yung price. So this Reese's is only less than $2. Wow! And ito yung nilalagay sa mga gift para magmukhang full. That's only 75 cents. And another one, this pack of Haribo is $1.25 before tax. This whole pack, can you imagine? And last but not the least, itong Hershey's candy na cookies and cream. It's also less than $2. Just because egg shape yung candy, talagang pang Easter. So ito talaga yung mga hinahanap ko kapag nagpupunta ako rito sa CVS at sa Walmart din. Talagang napakarami nilang discounted items kapag out of season na, talagang bagsak presyo na silang lahat. And maraming flowers, balloons because it's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. Payment time. Andito na ako sa checkout counter. As you can see, andyan ako sa video. So, ang total bill ko is almost $15 after tax. Nenter ko yung phone number ko na connected sa CVS. And ito lahat ng cashback na pwede kong ma-redeem for this transaction. in-enter ko na rin yung coupon ko na 30% off na nakuha ko sa email. So, one by one, makikita ninyo na ibinabawas lahat ng cashback and yung coupon na 30% off. So, yung total amount na kailangan kong bayaran is almost $7 na lang. So, after this, nas ko lang yung credit. Here you go. Then, tinap ko yung card ko. And nag-proceed na ako sa payment. And after, pinrint ko na yung receipt. Ito yung self-checkout counter dito sa CVS. So, it's very easy. And, wala, meron pa akong $4 na pwedeng ma-redeem on my next transaction on any item na gusto kong bilhin. Another successful transaction dito sa CVS. Kaya sobrang dami kong nakuhang discount. Super happy ang inyong Jerry Nanay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you!